Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. I hope you're all doing very well. Welcome to Air Fryer Week. I'm excited about this one. This week we are going to make Brussels sprouts in the air fryer, but frozen. I'm going to show you how delicious and easy it is and how well they come out. We are going to be making some brownies in the air fryer. Gooey, delicious brownies. We're going to be making some pork belly. We'll make some tacos out of that pork belly. And we're gonna make some salmon with a butter sauce, and we're gonna make some chicken nuggets with a honey mustard sauce. Today, we'll start with our Brussels sprouts. Oh, you're not gonna believe how easy this is and how amazingly delicious they come out. We're gonna make these with a balsamic vinaigrette. And yeah, let's make this. I wanna show you how well they cook directly from the bag. The air inside the air fryer is gonna make these super crisp. They will take a little longer than you normally would take cooking, vegetables that are not frozen, but the result is pretty fantastic. I'm preheating the air fryer right now, and so as soon as it's ready, we'll put these in the basket. Obviously, if you want to cook raw Brussels sprouts, of course you can. I will put the difference in temperatures down at the description box because it'll take less time, not temperature, but time. These will take longer. Also, if they're raw, you will be able to spray them with oil and salt them, and put any spices that you want on them. All right, so this preheated, I'm just going to throw those in there, and I'm going to cook this at 375 for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, about 9 minutes have gone by. I told you 375 for 15 minutes. No, it's 390 for 15 minutes. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Anyway, we're gonna shake these. I'm gonna spray them with a little oil. And I'm gonna season them with salt. All right, back to finish cooking. Let's make a little vinaigrette for our Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna use balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna put about a quarter cup in here. Some salt, about a tablespoon of honey. I'm gonna start pouring in about half a cup of olive oil. I'm gonna start really slow drizzle. Look at these, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna drizzle some of that vinaigrette. If you have leftover vinaigrette, just keep it in the fridge in a close little container. It'll last you. Yummy. So let's try our Brussels sprouts. Guys, these are really crisp on the outside. They're super soft in the inside. That balsamic vinaigrette really adds to it. Oh, I love these. These are so good. You could have them even for celebrations, Very nice dish. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, please give me a like. If you haven't subbed, please sub. Turn on the notification button. If you could share this video and comment, I would really appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow.